Welcome and what is up there, everybody? This is Casper Trader back here with another video today, and I'm going to be doing a daily upload today. Thank you guys so much for joining me on the video. Challenge of growing $200 up to $1 million in only 4 years. Today is day 2, week 2, and we're down around 1.5% and 0.5% in after hours, which is kind of just sucks. On DWT, it's mostly what's going on. I've been cutting my losses all week. I can't find a good stock that's starting to trend up while I have it. So right now, my top stock would be DWT, and one more stock that I'll talk about in the end of the video for those who stay. Has some really good potential. It started to trend upwards. Basically confirmed the reversal almost, and it's looking to make a lot of profit left in a really short amount of time. So stay till the end if you guys want to check that one out. So DWT right here, I was looking at it and it's right at the resistance right now. So I sold some of my shares when it broke the pattern, right? I think it was right around here. And I bought in after when I noticed that it was actually at the resistance. So I bought in at almost the same price after it recovered from that breaking of the pattern right here. So now I'm back into DWT, hoping for a gap up over the night. And that's just going to be it for DWT. The other stock, for those who are looking for a nice stock, Gush, G-U-S-H. Gush is a pretty nice stock. It's also an ETF. It's not a stock. It's an ETF, oil and gas. It's been trending up pretty nicely. Today it's up around 8.5%. Total, as you can see, you guys can actually see with Robinhood charts. Wow, they're actually not that bad after all. So this is the support. You can't really tell with these charts, but usually bounces right around the $8.50 to $9 area. Right where it is right now, it bounced up from here. And today, it just went up like crazy around 8%. But the profit margin on the stock, even if it were to go, I kind of see this as a, I don't know if you would call this a triangle or a pennant. Everyone has different names for it. I mean, those are different names for different patterns. But this is sort of like a triangle pattern. Where if we were to connect this line right here, the tip, and it's slightly going downward, slightly on a downward pattern, making a resistance right here. So I would think that the stock has potential to hit maybe $10.50 or maybe even around $11 if we get decently lucky. So that's still a nice profit margin, 5% to even 10% on one stock within like 2 or 3 days, or maybe even 1 day. Looks pretty nice. This stock has been on a downtrend overall, but right now it's making these little jumps, and you can easily identify support and resistance on this one. And I really want to get into the stock, so that's why I left a portion of my capital out, like 50% of it, probably to invest in Gush. It's looking like a pretty good opportunity to buy this stock. Looking at it right now, I would say I would wait for a little bit of a pullback to get in. Maybe tomorrow morning it's going to go up a lot, and then it's going to pull back, and then I'll probably buy in some shares, and once it starts trending up, then we'll start making some profits. And I probably would set my stop loss pretty closely below, because I'm trying to learn how to cut my losses really quick. And many people say that stop losses aren't good. Many people say that they're good. But for just day-to-day life, most people don't have the time to stare at stocks like 24/7. So a stop loss can protect you from some risky situations. So I may end up setting one up. Yeah. So that's basically going to be it for today's video, guys. I really appreciate if you guys could smash that like button below if you enjoyed. And if you guys could subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not yet, I really appreciate it a ton. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a fantastic rest of the week.